Okay, this will be the first in quite a while since I've done something on paper. So what are we going to do with this? Well, we'll create an equation that looks like quantity times unit price is equal to the charge. So why not write that? So as simple as doing something like this, you'll have an idea of what to do. Now, funny story, when I was doing CSET mathematics, when I was a lot younger in high school, um, yeah, I didn't catch on to this at all. This is basic algebra, and yet you put it in tabular form, and just like that, it just intimidates. So that is something that we need to prepare our students for. Yeah. So let me just go to the next scene. Now, believe it or not, something else is missing. And I'm going to tell you what it is in a little bit. Now, if you can spot the difference, that part right there should be called dollars per pound. So when you multiply it by the number of pounds, you get the charge that you're supposed to get, right? That should have been labeled as 350 per pound. The reason why is because the quantity is listed in pounds and not in packs, right? Not in packs, not in bags, but in pounds. So therefore, that needs to be 350 per pound. So let's just carry on now. So that's looking like 3,500, right? So 350 times 10, we add a 0 to the end, and that is 3,500. Now, what is 2b equal 11,600? So, fun fact. When a number is beside the letter, we are going to divide. So we will divide the 2b by the letter that's beside. Yeah? So the letter beside b is going to be 2, so we divide both sides by the 2. So how would we do that without the calculator now? $1 cannot buy anything in the store, as the cheapest item is $2. So we have, or rather, we don't have enough money, so we put 0 over that 1. So let's move on over to the other digit there. So the largest number that 11, or rather the largest multiple of 2 that 11 is bigger than, is going to be, it's going to be 10, so we will just count from there. Number of ticks tells us the number we need to put beside the 0. Now we have 11 minus 10. 11 minus 10 gives us 1. So we're going to put 1 beside the 6, so it looks like 16. So, yeah, I think we know what to do from here. So we found 16, so let's just count from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so we put 8. And of course, if we were to put 2 zeros behind all of these multiples, we can put 2 zeros behind that 8. All right, so now that's 5,800. So let's go back to where we were originally. So now we put the 5,800 right next to the B. All right, so let's just break this in parts then, eh? So let's just stop here for now.